Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video we will talk about the soul of GST law, that is ITC. Guys, in this video we will know eligibility of ITC of taxpayer even when RC is cancelled. So guys, today's topic is, can ITC be claimed by GST payers for tax period during RC was cancelled? Guys, this question is a popular question and we will discuss the question in the light of judgment passed by Honorable Rajasthan High Court in the matter of Messrs RK Jewellers versus the Union of India. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start the video now.
Hello viewers and students of AITCS. In today's video session, we are going to discuss again one of the important and very interesting topic. The subject matter of the topic is whether GST taxpayer is eligible to claim input tax credit during the period when his GST registration certificate was cancelled. सुनने में ये थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है कि GST रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट कैंसिल हो गया, उसके बाद भी इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट की एलिजिबिलिटी बरकरार रहती है कि नहीं. बट दिस इज़ द फैक्ट वेयर ऑनरेबल राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट हैज़ गिवन अ लैंडमार्क जजमेंट इन फेवर ऑफ द पिटिशनर. इस केस की डिस्कशन, इस केस की चर्चा हम करेंगे, बट बिफोर दैट वी शुड सी द presentation which has been prepared based on the operative part of the judgment given by the Honorable Rajasthan High Court in the matter of Messrs RK Jewellers versus Union of India. तो सबसे पहले इस कोर्ट की जजमेंट का ऑपरेटिव पार्ट देख लेते हैं, विच इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. हाई कोर्ट ऑफ जुडिकेचर फॉर राजस्थान एट जोधपुर in the case of Messrs RK Jewellers through sole proprietor Ramesh Kumar Soni, age 38 years, address Sachet district, Jalore, is the petitioner. The operative part of the order is, this writ petition has been filed by the petitioner for challenging the order dated 2nd February 2022 passed by the respondent number 4, whereby the GST registration of the petitioner form has been cancelled on the ground of non-filing of GST return by it. The appeal filed by the petitioner for against the said order has also been rejected by the appellate authority. During the pendency of this writ petition, the competent authority under the Goods and Service Tax Act 2017 had issued a notification dated 31st March 2023, and as per the said notification, on the condition being fulfilled, the cancellation of registration effected on the ground of non-filing of GST return could be revoked. This court is the opinion that the case of the petitioner form covers with the notification dated 31st March 2023, and the petitioner form can move an application before the competent authority with a prayer for restoration of its GST registration subject to fulfillment of the condition mentioned in the said notification. In such circumstances, this writ petition is disposed of with liberty to the petitioner form to file application for restoration of its GST registration before the competent authority, which shall consider and include the application filed by the petitioner for in the light of the notification dated 31st March 2023, issued by the competent authority under the Goods and Service Tax Act 2017 expeditiously. It is made clear that when the competent authority considers the issue of revocation or cancellation of petitioner form GST registration under the notification dated 31st March 2023, the petitioner form shall be entitled to lodge its claim for availment of input tax credit in respect of the period from the cancellation of the registration till the registration is restored. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ऑनरेबल राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट का ऑपरेटिव पार्ट देखा. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द होल केस इन अ सिंपल मैनर बाय वे ऑफ अ स्टोरी. कहानी की तरह इसको सिंपल वर्ड में अगर समझते हैं तो मेसर्स आर के ज्वेलर्स इज ए फर्म whose GST registration certificate was cancelled suo motu by the GST authority for non-filing of GST return continuously for a period of 6 months. हम सबको पता है कि GST एक्ट में अगर कोई भी रजिस्टर्ड डीलर लगातार 6 टैक्स पीरियड तक अपनी रिटर्न फाइल नहीं करता है, देन GST अथॉरिटी हैज़ पावर टू कैंसिल द रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट. इस केस में भी ऐसा हुआ. मेसर्स आर के ज्वेलर्स हैज़ फेल्ड टू सबमिट GST रिटर्न्स कंटिन्यूसली फॉर 6 months. एज अ रिजल्ट द GST रजिस्ट्रेशन was cancelled suo motu. इसके बाद GST Act has a provision under section 30 of the CGST as well as SGST Act whereby a taxpayer whose GST registration has cancelled can apply for the revocation of the cancellation of the GST registration within a period of 30 days from the date of the order for cancellation communicated to the taxpayer. अगर 30 दिन के भीतर कोई रिवोकेशन के लिए अप्लाई करता है तो उसकी GST रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर जो कि कैंसिल हो गई थी उसको रिस्टोर किया जा सकता है. बट इन दिस केस द पिटिशनर मेसर्स आर के ज्वेलर्स applied for the revocation after the period of 30 days which is mandated under section 30 of the GST Act. तो 30 दिन के भीतर उसने रिवोकेशन की एप्लीकेशन डाली. द GST अथॉरिटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड रिजेक्टेड द एप्लीकेशन. बीइंग एग्रीव्ड बाय द रिजेक्शन ऑफ द रिवोकेशन, द पिटिशनर filed the appeal before the appellate authority under the GST law, that is the first appellate authority, and the first appellate authority also dismissed the appeal on the ground that the revocation application is filed beyond the statutory due dates, that is within 30 days from the date of communication of the order of rejection. अगर आप सेक्शन 30 की बात करते हो then you will find that revocation application can be filed after 30 days provided that there must be a reasonable reason for not filing the revocation application within the due date. GST authority has 30 days condonation power, and after that appellate authority has also 30 days condonation power if the petitioner provides valid reason for not filing the revocation application within the statutory time frame. In this case, the GST adjudicating authority as well as GST appellate authority did not consider the plea of the petitioner and their revocation was dismissed. इन दोनों अथॉरिटी के ऑर्डर से पिटिशनर आहत हुआ. बीइंग एग्रीव्ड ही अप्रोचेस टू द ऑनरेबल राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट. द पिटिशनर prayed before the Honorable Rajasthan High Court that according to the provision of the section 30 of the central GST as well as state GST, his petition should be accepted. In the meantime, the GST authority has issued a notification dated February 2023. In that petition, they have told that if any GST registration number has been cancelled on or before February 2022, then the petitioner can file revocation provided that all the returns has been filed properly. तो इस केस में भी ऑनरेबल राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट ने पिटिशनर के फेवर में जजमेंट दिया, लेकिन एक एडिशनल बेनिफिट भी दिया। वो एडिशनल बेनिफिट क्या था? वो एडिशनल बेनिफिट ये था कि द पिटिशनर इज entitled to claim input tax credit during the tax period for which the registration was cancelled. That is, if there is any input tax credit from the date when the GST registration was cancelled suo motu up to the date of the restoration of the GST registration, in the intervening period, if petitioner has earned any input tax credit, then he is eligible for that. ये था ऑनरेबल राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट। इसकी कंप्लायंस बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, क्योंकि जब उसका जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ही कैंसिल था तो उसकी जो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सप्लायर है वो GSTR 1 में इसकी जीएसटी नंबर नहीं दे पाए होंगे, एंड एज ए रिजल्ट द ITC will not populate in GSTR 2B, as it is a precondition that any taxpayer shall be eligible for input tax credit only when the input tax credit auto-populates in GSTR 2B and GSTR 2A. In this case, that shall not happen. But this is the order from the Honorable Rajasthan High Court, and we all know that order passed by the Supreme Court and Honorable High Court is binding to all subordinate authorities. तो इस केस में आरके ज्वेलर्स को इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट की बेनिफिट मिलेगी, even that the input tax credit is not auto-populated in GSTR 2B. Barring this condition, all conditions for claiming ITC, eligibility of ITC and condition of ITC must be fulfilled. So this was the discussion regarding important question whether ITC credit is available during the period for which GST registration was cancelled. So in conclusion, we can say that in case of revocation of GST registration cancellation order, if any taxpayer has earned any input tax credit between the period when the registration was cancelled suo motu till the restoration of registration certificate, then he is eligible for input tax credit. If anyone has this type of case, he can take the benefit of this judgment. This judgment is passed by the Honorable Rajasthan High Court in the matter of Messrs RK Jewellers versus Union of India. So students, hope that you have understood the topic. If anyone has any suggestion or comment, please write in the comment box. If anyone wants to take income tax, GST, TDS e-filing training with us, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.